Welcome back friends. In the previous video we saw that how we can send the forgot password email there. So if you don't know how we did it, then please watch my previous video first. So today in this video we are going to see how we can verify this forgot password and how we can reset the password of the user. So like here, first of all I am sending here the request. I'm clicking on send. My server is running and this is my route API/all/forgot password that we have created in the previous video, and here we are getting email sent. Now when I will open the mailbox here in the ethereal, and here we will get this for the reset password, and here we are getting like this. So whenever I click on here, then it will bring us to the reset password and then token. So this thing is there. So here, instead of this reset password, to verify the token, we will change the route for the link. So that will be first of all verify token route. So first of all we have to verify that if the token is correct or not. So if the token is not correct, then reset password should not work. If the token is correct, then the reset password should work. So first of all let's see here for the token. So here I'm going to create one more route, and that will be verified token. And first of all let's go to the auth controller. In the auth controller we will go to the forgot password, and in the forgot password we will change here. So this will be verify pass. So it will like that, verify token. So verify token will be there. Like whenever we will go to the we will create the front end for this. So first of all we will in the use effect, as we are going to use React in the front end, so we will in the use effect, first of all we will verify the token. So if the token is not verified, then we will render this error. Otherwise if the token is verified, then we will show the means reset password interface here. So reset password interface. Then here let's go here, or we can do one thing also. So first of all let's write here router dot, it will be the get request, and get request to the verify token, then request. So here we don't need any request. Here we will create the controller here. So we will create the controller for verify token. So for that I'm going to create one new file in the controllers, that will be verify token controller.js. So here we will create this verify token controller, and here will be the request and response will be there, and then here we will module dot exports verify token controller. Then here just I'm going to console log or just send the response dot send. I'm going to send request dot params. I'm going to send the parameters, or let me send the query only. So we are going to send the query only. So it is verify token controller. Copy this. So I'm importing. Here will be the verify token controller, and let's import this. So we are going to import verify token controller from // controllers will be there, and then there will be the verify token controller. Let's save all. And here also is verify token. Yeah, verify token is there, and this server API is verify token. So let me send the email again. So let's click on send for the forward password. Yeah, it is sent successfully. And here I'm going to this one, verify token. So verify token, and see that we are getting the parameter in the token here. So we are getting the parameter. So it is looking very good. So when we will open the mailbox again, now we should get the email here. So like this email is there, and here we are getting, I'm opening this in new tab, and see that here we are getting now verify token here. So now let's move forward and let's apply the logic for the verify token plus. So now we have this token here. See that from the query we are having the token. So first of all we will extract this token, and then in using the JSON web token we will decode this token to get the email from the user. See that here in the auth controller. So when we will go to the auth controller, and in the token we are passing the email here. So with the help of this email we can find the user. Now let's go here, and here first of all let's extract token. Token from const token is equals to request dot query. So first of all we will check if token is not there. If there is not any token, then we will just send the response the return. We will just return response.json. First of all status will be 404, and then success, here will be JSON, we will send to JSON, and here will be success. So success will be false, and here we will send the message here, invalid token. We will not show like token is not present, we will just show invalid token. And then let's move forward, and here we will first of all decode the token. So this means that here the token is present, so we will decode the token. So for that we are going to use JSON web token. So let me show you here. So how to decode the token in the documentation. See that we can do like this, we can verify the token. So yeah, we can do like this, we can verify the token here. And here with async await also is there. See that this one is there. So I'm going to copy this, or we will go for the asynchronous also. Yeah, same thing we will do. So let's go here. So here first of all we have to import the JWT. So let's import JWT is equals to require JSON web token, and here we are going to write decoded token. Decoder token will be like this. We are going to try here. So it will be like that. Let decoded token, and here we will like that. Decoder token will be equals to like this. So if the token is invalid, we will return the same thing, but with the response 400, and here we can return the error also. So error will be like error only. It will be here will be invalid token, and now we are having the decoder token here. So here we will pass the token, and then we have to mention the secret also. So let's go to the create token, and here this is our secret. So I'm going to copy this secret only. So copy this and paste it here. Now let's just response this decoder token. So I'm going to response dot send response dot status. So status will be 400, it will be 200, and then dot JSON we are going to write success will be 2, and the token will be decoded, and data, so data will be like this. Email, data will be decoder token. So data will be decoder token. So this is just for the testing purpose. We also have to get for the email also. So first of all, let's get for the email, checking if user is present or not. So user is present or not. So first of all, let's see what is the data here. So I'm going to save this, and database is connected, and let's refresh this. So I'm going to refresh this, and here we are getting success true, and see that data we are getting, email we are getting this one, and I8 like exp. So these things we are also getting here. So as in the database we have our this email present, so we have this email present in our database here. So now we have to verify the token, and first of all let's see if this email is present or not. So we have to do the validation for that also. So here will be the user, user is equals to require dot slash from the models, there will be the user model, and here we will check const old user. So old user will be await, and here we need async also, async, because this will be asynchronous. So await, and then user dot find one, we are going to find using the email. So email will be this one, decoder token dot email, decoder token dot email. So here if this user is not present, so if there is not old user, then we are going to send the response. So this type of response we are going to send, invalid token, then error will be not there. Here we will get user not found. So this message will be there, user not found. Otherwise we are just going to send success true. Just we are going to send this success is true, and also we have to send the data here. So that will be the decoder token dot email. So we are going to send the email only, user email, and then save this. So here let me refresh it, let's see what we are getting here. See that we are getting success true, response this one. So this means that this token is working successfully. So let me change the any value in the token. So this last G I am removing him. So this last G I am removing, and now clicking this. See that what we are getting, success false, invalid token is there, then invalid signature. So this means that token is invalid, and now I am moving like this. So let me now remove this whole token. So let's see what we are getting. So I am removing the whole token. See that we are getting false, and message we are getting invalid token here. And if we are having the token and it is the right token and 7 days are not there, means it is under the 7 days, then we are getting this response and we are getting the decoded user data, that is user email here. So now we have done with the token verification. Now let's move forward and let's see how we can reset the password. So now let's first of all create a route to reset the password here. So let's go to the Auth API and here I'm going to create the route to reset the password. So here will be like reset password and reset password. So here we are going to create the controller, that is reset password controller. So this one we are going to create in the auth controller only. So we are going to import this from the auth controller. So let's go to the auth controller and here I'm going to export this and let's create here reset password controller here. So here this one will be there, reset password controller and request response. And here just I'm first of all going to response.send this request.body. So here we need three things. First of all, there will be the old password, the new password will be there, and then confirming the new password. So let's go to the Postman. Here actually I have to save it first. So I'm going to save all and let's go to Postman here. So here will be auth/reset password will be there. So reset password, and then here in the body we need something to send. First of all, email will not be there. Actually email will be there as we are getting email from the response only. So here email will also be there. So email will be there, and then old password. So old password, let me 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, I think this was there. So old password is there, and after that new password. So new password will be like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then 8 9 will be good, and then we need confirm new password. So this will be just a duplicate. I'm going to copy this and paste this here. So it will be like confirm new password, and here will be password, old password. So everything will be like this. So when I will click on send, we should get all these things. So auth/reset password is not there in the auth API. Then okay, so here will be the post request, not the get request. So actually we are sending the post request here, so we don't need any get request. So our server is up and running, and let's go here and let's click on send and see that here we are getting our all data back. So let's verify this: email, old password, new password, and confirm new password. So let's go here to the auth controller, and here let me do this: email, then old password, new password, then confirm new password. From request.body. So from request.body will be there. So here first of all we need some validation. So first of all we will verify the email. So let me verify the email here. So I'm going to copy this, and here will be the same thing, and then we have to fill in all fields thing. So let's move up. This one I'm going to copy this, and let's go to the bottom, and here I'm going to paste this. So here will be the old password, and then confirm new password. Copy this, confirm new password, and then there will be not new password. So this thing is there, then please fill in all fields. Now we will check if the email is present, if particular user is present or not. So for that, here we need async here. So async, here we will do the same, that is const old user is equals to await, and then user dot find one, and here will be the email only, and then if there will be not old user, then we will send the response here. So response will be like this. Here we will change the message. So message will be like this, user not found. So user not found will be there. So actually we have to do all the validations. So first of all, we are verifying the token, like we are verifying the token. There also we are checking if the token is there. Then if token is there, we have decoded the token, and there we are also checking if the user is present there or not, with the help of email. And here we also have to check. So here we also have to check all type of validations here. Now let's move forward. So here I'm going to move forward here. Here we have sent this. So here first of all we have to check if password is matching or not. Old password is matching or not. So for this we need the bcrypt. So I'm going to do same, and let's go first of all go to the login. So login controller is there, and this same thing we need verifying the password. So where it is, so reset password is there. Actually in the login, where we are verifying the password. So this is forward password controller. Yeah, this one we are comparing the passwords here. So I'm going to copy this. So let's copy this. And here I'm going to do comparing passwords. So it will be the old password. So if old password will match the old user password, and old user we have created here, then we are going to go ahead. Otherwise we are going to do like invalid email or password, or we are going to write please enter correct old password. So please enter correct old password, like this. But if we are matching the token, then actually we don't need the old password. So I'm going to remove this old password. So we actually don't need this old password here. So we don't need this old password because we are verifying the token, then there is the new password. So I am removing also this one. So this one. So here we will check if the new password, if the new password is not equals to confirm new password. So if it is not equal, then I'm going to write password do not match. Passwords do not match. This one. And now let's move forward. So here now we will go ahead and let's go to the register one, and here we are going to bcrypt this. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this. So we are going to use this only. We have to hash the password here. So here I'm going to use this one, and we have to close this one also. Then we have to close above one, and then this one. So this will be like this. And if we have hashed the password, so we are having the hash. So I'm going to write hashed password, and it will be hash only, and then move forward. And now we are going to update the password here. So now we have to update the password. For that we are going to use user. So here we are going to use user dot find one. So find one and update. So user dot find one update, and here I'm going to use like this, const updated data. So updated data is there, then await, and here will be find one and update. So first of all we are going to find with email, so email is the same, and then we are going to do here set. We are going to set $, set what we have to set. So we have to set the password. So password will be hashed password, and here will be the new password. So this one we are doing. So here we are going to check if updated data is there, then we are going to send response dot send first status will be 200, and we are going to send success. So success will be true. Then message, we are going to send the message password updated successfully. So password is updated successfully here. Else we are going to send response, that is 500, something went wrong. Something went wrong. Now just save this and let's try this. So let's wait for this. Our database is running. So first of all, let's see for the login one. So I'm going to just duplicate this, duplicate tab, and in the body here auth will be login. So first of all, let's check what is the previous password. So previous password is like this. So here we have to send only email and password for the login route, and here I'm going to click on send here. So when I will click on send, see that we are getting token and login successfully, means old password was this. Now let's check for the new password. So here we don't have to send the old password, and now this will be the new password. So let's click on send. We are getting please fill in all fields. So why we are getting, so actually I have misspelled this, it will be the password. Now let's send this. Now we are getting password updated successfully. So we have updated the password successfully here. Now let's try to log in with the same password. So I'm previous one password, and when I'm clicking here, see that we are getting invalid email and password. Now when I will add the updated one, then click on send, now we should get a token. See that we are getting the token here, means reset password is working successfully. So for today this is enough. If you have any queries, please comment in one section, and in the next video we will see how we can verify the email for the user, and then our backend will be done, and then we will move forward to the front end side. So for today this is enough. At last, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.